Alright, we are now riding the subway train back to Terminal D&E in this video. And yes, I know I started a little bit late because somebody else was getting on too in the middle car with us. And they almost possibly could have missed a train. But here we go. We're going pretty fast. And this is also one of my favorite subway train rides here at the airport, from C to D&E, because it's fast.
There's no stop.
Nope. No, the train doesn't slow down here, unlike some of the other stops. See, it just goes really fast. Which, that's very, very cool. It almost feels like you're in the car driving on the highway. And also, this train also feels like a roller coaster too because of these turns that it makes. See, we're about to come up to a turn right now because we're about to arrive here at D&E. Yeah. Yep, we're right. See, this is what I mean when I say this feels like a roller coaster. Because it makes rapid turns too. Yeah, and I'm also here in the airport to pick up my mom too. She's coming home from Mexico City tonight. Are you flying somewhere or are you picking somebody up?
No, we were gonna fly somewhere. We didn't make our flight, so we're going home.
Oh, okay. Where are you flying to?
We were going to Nashville.
Tennessee? Nice. That is really, really cool. Okay, I'll let you out first. Oh, and there's people about to get on too, so I'll get the door for them.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We can go ahead. I got the door. You're welcome. You guys have a nice trip. You're welcome. All right. Train's gonna be on peak right now, so we're gonna go ahead and go upstairs. Okay, that's it.